We'd like to thank the awesome people at Bugapalooza for being so helpful and friendly while we were filming the event today. And did you know that the people at Bugapalooza, and especially the Scenic City Volksfolk, have been helping out the Ronald McDonald House by putting on this event, and they have raised over $250,000 for the sick children that depend on the Ronald McDonald House. And they are great, helpful, family-friendly, fun people. And the proof is in this video you're going to see right now.
Awesome. Buenas. Mi sweetie me llevó a Bugapalooza. And era un lindo sitio con bastante personas bellas. Y es todo a beneficio a Ronald McDonald House para de niños enfermos. Si es tú quieres ver cómo hace la gente de Volkswagen ahí, ve de video.
video of Bugapalooza, and I hope you've seen how great and wonderful and friendly the people are there. And if you haven't been able to go out to Bugapalooza, look for it again next May. And if you can't go then and you still want to support the Ronald McDonald House and the sick kids that depend on the Ronald McDonald House, I'll put a link to Bugapalooza website in the description of this video. You can click on that link and scroll down a little bit. On the very front page there is a donation button on the Bugapalooza website.
Ojalá que tú disfrutes nuestro video. Y para de personas que no podían ir de Bugapalooza este año, espera hasta el próximo mayo. Y si tú quieres donar a the Ronald McDonald House antes, vamos a poner un link en la descripción del video para the webpage de Bugapalooza. Y cualquier tiempo tú quieres, toca ese link y va a la primera página. Hay un botón de donar. Ahí está. Muchas gracias. Y recuerdo inscribirse y tocar de campaña para no perder nada de Saneauto. Muchas gracias. Chao.
Ciao.